Microtonal music pushes past the 12-tone norm, revealing uncharted scales that reshape feeling and identity across cultures. An archival clip traces its roots from early avant-garde experiments to modern world music scenes where composers invite listeners to hear the world at new pitches. Interviews with a guitarist and a traditional singer uncover how small interval shifts can express longing, humor, and rebellion in everyday life. A young producer blends ancient drones with microtonal synths, illustrating a bridge between ancestral voices and future soundscapes. The story closes with a crowd of fans sharing their first astonished listen and the spark it lit inside them.